So this whole video kind of defeats the purpose of my channel, which is to have videos under 1 minute, but this one is over 5 minutes long, so I kind of failed there. But if you just want the things that I will go over and just grab them and get out of here, you can just check the description down below, and I hope you'll find it useful. Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you what I've been using to learn Japanese over the last 4 years. I've been using Memrise for vocabulary. It has a lot of like 6,000 Japanese words, at least this set that I've been using, which I will link down in the description. And if you're not familiar with Memrise, it has a lot of different sets, which is basically like a flashcard thing. But this set also has example sentences and also pronunciation. So yeah, I really recommend this set and everything created by this user. So what I've been using for grammar is Japanese Test for You. They have this very useful list of the 5 different levels, and 5 is the easiest one. This is the one everybody starts with. So it has like des and dake. So if you click on des, you have this a few example sentences and just the meaning, and yeah, it's just really easy to just have a quick overlook of all the grammar, and it maybe seems intimidating, but it's actually really useful if you kind of get the hang of it. So for kanji, I've been using Tanoshii Japanese. If we go to practice and kanji, press next, go to writing practice, you can select a book and press chapter 1 to start. Use the amount of flashcards or questions you want to have. If we press start, you'll get this you got this canvas, and you can draw the kanji that that they're asking. So iriguchi, which means entrance. We just have to draw a square, and it also sees the strokes, and if you press check, you can see if it's correct or not. You can also use this on your tablet, and what I used to do is to just grab a paper and then just write it down until I got it correct. So these are the 3 main things that I've been using for grammar and vocabulary and kanji. I also have a few cheat sheets. This is for the 4 particles, which may come in use in the beginning. This is a cheat sheet for the verbs, which is very useful, but it kind of looks intimidating, and it really is. But once you get the hang of it, it's really useful. So for example, here we have the jishoke. So if we take taberu and we add not to it, you get don't eat. So taberu na. And another example is taberu mae ni, so before eating. Another one is the renyoke. So if we grab taberu and make it formal, we have tabemasu. And if we remove the mas and add tai to it, you have tabetai, and tabetai means want to eat. And yeah, this is just very useful. And I've printed this one out, and I sometimes look at it when I forget a few things. For my dictionary, I've been using Jisho from the beginning. It's really useful. So if we take taberu again, you get the kanji and what it means, and I think also an example sentence. You also have the the conjugations. But for on my phone, I've been using Midori, which is just a very useful dictionary app. It does cost $10, but to me it was worth it. But there's also a lot of free options, but I just went with this one just because I found it first. I didn't even know these ones existed, but I think these are just as fine. So yeah, this is basically everything. I will put everything down in the description and link to the small resource pack that I've created. And I hope this helps you a little. And sorry for my English if it was bad. And yeah, thank you.